Hello everyone, managing diabetes doesn't mean you have to compromise on enjoying food. Today, I'm going to share 10 practical tips to help you eat well and maintain your blood sugar levels. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Understanding carbohydrates. Carbs impact your blood sugar more than fats and proteins, so it's crucial to understand which carbs are healthier. Focus on whole grains like brown rice and whole wheat, as they have a lower glycemic index and provide sustained energy. Start by replacing white bread with whole grain options. Tip 2. Incorporate fiber into your diet. Fiber is a superhero for diabetes management. It slows the absorption of sugar, helping to control blood sugar levels. Aim to include high-fiber foods in your meals like beans, legumes, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. An easy start: add berries or seeds to your morning oatmeal. Tip 3. Choose healthy fats. Heart health is vital for those with diabetes. Incorporate sources of healthy fats, which can help improve blood cholesterol levels. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are great choices. Try dressing your salads with olive oil and a splash of vinegar instead of creamy dressings. Tip 4. Keep an eye on portion sizes. Controlling portion sizes is key in managing diabetes. Use smaller plates to naturally reduce portion sizes without feeling deprived. A handy guide: fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables, 1/4 with lean protein, and 1/4 with a whole grain. Tip 5. Reduce added sugars. Cutting back on sugar is important, but don't worry, you can still enjoy sweetness. Opt for natural sources like fruits to satisfy your sweet tooth. Also be wary of sugar hidden in sauces, beverages, and processed foods. Always check food labels for added sugars. Tip 6. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for your overall health and helps manage diabetes by aiding in blood sugar control. Aim for 8-10 glasses a day and limit sugary drinks. If plain water isn't appealing, try adding slices of lemon, lime, or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Tip 7. Be smart with snacking. Snacking smart is crucial. Choose snacks that include protein and fiber to keep you full and stabilize blood sugar levels. Great options are apple slices with peanut butter or a small handful of almonds. Plan your snacks to avoid impulsive choices. Tip 8. Limit alcohol intake. Alcohol can interfere with your diabetes medication and insulin. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation and always with food to prevent low blood sugar levels. Remember, guidelines suggest 1 drink per day for women and 2 for men. Tip 9. Regular meal times. Eating at regular times helps regulate your blood sugar levels. Try to eat roughly at the same times every day and don't skip meals. If you're taking insulin or diabetes medication, it's even more important to have a consistent eating schedule. Tip 10. Monitor your blood sugar. Lastly, understanding how different foods affect your blood sugar is key. Keep a food diary and monitor your blood sugar levels to see how your meals and snacks affect your levels. This insight allows you to make informed dietary choices. Remember, managing diabetes with diet is about making balanced choices that fit your lifestyle. Experiment with these tips and consult with your healthcare provider to tailor them to your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and take care.